We invest a lot of money in our shoes, and I think it's just really important to take that little extra step to preserve the life of the shoe, to get more bang for your buck, and to get every dollar that you invest in it. And the way to do that is to get a pair of CEDAR shoe trees. These are the best investment you can ever make when it comes to taking care of your shoes. Why, you ask? One of the best benefits of a CEDAR shoe tree is that it helps to retain the shape of the shoe. Another great benefit is it helps to keep from getting that crack across the toe of the shoe. And it also helps to prevent the toe from curling up after a lot of wear in the shoe. And I wanted to give you an example of what I'm talking about. Here's a pair, this shoe is out of my closet from home. Very good shoe, a cap toe Bostonian. And I bought these before I started using CEDAR shoe trees. And if you can see, there's a really hard crack in the leather here because I didn't put a shoe tree in it. And also the toe has already began to curl up. And no matter what I've tried to do, I've taken it to the shoe shop. I've tried shoe stretchers and everything else, and nothing worked. It can't go back to the original shape of the shoe. So I use it as a reminder for myself. From now on, whenever I get a pair of new shoes, I get a pair of CEDAR shoe trees to go with it. Another great advantage is with the CEDAR shoe trees as opposed to plastic shoe trees is that the cedar wood will absorb moisture. When you take your shoes off after a long day, put the CEDAR shoe trees in and they will absorb any of the moisture in the shoe, and it will keep down that bacteria. One little other style tip about shoe trees is, if you can, try not to wear the same pair of shoes 2 days in a row. Switch them up so you can have that one pair of shoes to rest and retain their shape. And you do that by inserting a shoe tree in the shoe when you come home and take them off. I promise you, you'll be glad you did. And I encourage all of my clients that whenever they buy a new pair of shoes, to invest and spend a couple extra dollars for a pair of CEDAR shoe trees. And you don't have to get one for every pair of shoes. You can always change them out and swap them out. But please, protect your investment. And as always, thanks for watching.